Hello everyone, my name is Remi Bangboje from Mommy World Network. Mommy Shipra and Mommy Pua was mentioned in the book of Exodus, chapter 1, starting from verse 15 to 22. They were midwives of the Hebrew. King of Egypt, that's King Pharaoh, gave them an order, an instruction, a specific instruction, that they should kill every male child that comes forth. Whenever anybody wants to give birth, especially the Hebrew, whenever the Hebrew want to give birth, once it is a male child, they should kill the child before the mother got to know. But the Bible said these women, Mommy Shipra and Mommy Pua, they feared the Lord, and they did not kill the male children of the Hebrew. The king was furious. He called them and asked, "Why did you refuse to carry out my order?" They said, "The Hebrew women are more active than the Egyptian women. In fact, they gave birth before we got there. God gave them that wisdom to be able to respond. They respond to defend their faith. Faith was their profession. They were able to profess what they believe. They believed and they feared the God of their God, the God of Hebrew, the God of Jews. They refused to carry out the king and the commandment of the king. The king was the head of government then. They refused to follow the instruction of the king. Why? Because the instruction is contrary to the instruction of God. The king did not do anything. Rather, the king left them and gave that assignment to his own people. The king wanted to use those women, the Hebrew midwives, against the Hebrew. But they refused. They feared the Lord and refused to kill the children. The king left them gently and gave the order to his own people. And what happened? God promoted those women. God built houses for them. Check it up. Exodus chapter 1, starting from verse 15 to 22. These two women were not popular. In fact, that was the place their name was mentioned. But God recognized their activity. God recognized their profession. God recognized their fear. Even during their profession, during their business, during their career, during their secular career of being a midwife, or being a nurse, of taking care of people, of taking delivery, they applied the faith of God. They are fearful. They fear the Lord. And they apply the commandment of God against the commandment of the government, of the king. Some people are afraid to follow the word of God, even in their career. If you are a Christian, if you are a believer, let Christ be seen in you, not only in your mouth, but in your lifestyle, in your character, in your speech, in your profession, in your career, just like these two women, Mommy Shipra and Mommy Pua. What about Daniel? Daniel was in government right from the level of a slave. He rose to become a principal of a president of a province. They planned to kill him just because he had an excellent spirit. He could interpret. In fact, the king favored him. The king loved him because of that excellent spirit in him. And that excellent spirit was developed by the grace of God and by the determination, the discipline he gave himself. They didn't go with them and did not eat the meat of the king. They plot against him. They plan against him. Rather than fighting them, he concentrated on praising the Lord more. Christ was seen in him. The grace of God was seen in him. And God came down to defend them. So if you stand for God, if you live for God, through your speech, through your character, through your attitude, through your lifestyle, God is bound to stand for you, favor you, protect you, bless you, and increase you. Finally, prepare you for heaven. Till I come your way next week, I remain Remi Bangboje from Mommy World Network. God bless you.